Hi, I'm Dr. Ramp. I'm the owner here at Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn, Oregon. And today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what our clinic has to offer. We are primarily a chiropractic office. We have two wonderful doctors here who can treat a number of conditions. We also offer massage. We have two amazing massage therapists who can help with any muscle tension. We also offer a lot of rehab, similar to physical therapy. We have a cold laser here in the office, which is suitable for treating some conditions. And we also have an x-ray machine here in our office. So if you have a recent injury and are concerned that you might need an x-ray, let us know. We can certainly take a look at it for you. We are able to bill most insurances as well for most of these services. If you have any questions about any of these or are interested in checking out our office, please give our office a call. We're always happy to meet new people. We are offering free consultations if you want to just come check out the office, meet the staff, and see if it's a comfortable space for you. Or you're welcome to schedule a new patient exam where we'll put you through our full 5-phase biostructural evaluation, determine the root cause of your problem, and see what we can do to help.
Welcome to Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn, Oregon. Our experienced team of chiropractors and massage therapist wellness professionals provide the best possible chiropractic care, laser therapy, and massage therapy to patients living with back pain, neck pain, headaches, and a variety of chronic pain conditions. At Revive Injury and Wellness, we utilize gentle chiropractic techniques, massage therapy, rehabilitative exercises, nutritional supplementation, and cold laser therapy to help you recover from back pain, neck pain, chronic pain or injury from a workplace or auto accident. Our chiropractors and wellness team focus on the cause of your pain, not just the symptom, to help you lead a happier, healthier, pain-free life. We are here for you if you are in search of a chiropractor or accident and injury pain specialist in West Linn, Oregon, in Southeast Portland. Serving the communities of West Linn, Gladstone, Oregon City, Tualatin, Milwaukie, Wilsonville, Beavercreek, Canby, Molalla, Mulino, Clackamas, Willamette, Lake Oswego, and Happy Valley, Oregon in Clackamas County. Give us a call at 503-344-4378 and be sure to ask about our new patient special offer or visit our website at reviveinjury.com.